Mastering the quantifier, all, singular and plural nouns. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English grammar fundamentals. Specifically, we're going to explore the usage of the quantifier, all, with singular and plural nouns. This tiny word is surprisingly versatile, and knowing how to use it correctly can make a big difference in your English communication skills. Let's get started. So, what does all mean? The word all is a quantifier used to refer to the total number or amount of people or things in a particular group. It can be used with singular and plural nouns. This is what makes all unique among quantifiers. But how do we use all correctly with different types of nouns? This is what we'll discover in the next section. When we use all with a singular noun, it implies that we are referring to every instance or aspect of something in its entirety. For example, consider the sentence, "All knowledge is useful." Here, knowledge is a singular noun. This sentence means that every bit of knowledge, as a whole, is useful. It's important to note that all, with a singular noun, often refers to abstract or uncountable things, like the knowledge in our example. On the other hand, when all is used with plural nouns, it means every one of a group of people or things. For instance, in the sentence, "All students must submit their homework," students is a plural noun. This sentence implies that every one of the students, without exception, must submit their homework. We can also use all with both singular and plural pronouns. With singular pronouns like, "All this needs to be sorted," it refers to every part of something specific. When used with plural pronouns like, "All those are mine," it indicates every one of a group of things. A common mistake learners make is using all with a singular noun when they should use it with a plural one and vice versa. Remember that all with a singular noun often refers to uncountable or abstract things. On the other hand, all with a plural noun is used when referring to each member of a specific group. And that's a wrap. We've covered the usage of all with singular and plural nouns. It's a small word, but don't underestimate its importance. The correct use of all can help your English sound more natural and fluent. Practice using all in different contexts and check your understanding by making your own sentences. As always, happy learning, and remember, all effort you put into learning English will pay off in the end.